Have you ever wondered why some homemade shampoo feel very watery? They do not lather well, and at the end, they leave the hair very dry. The problem is not just in the ingredients, it is in using the correct formula and also following the process of production in the right order. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your shampoo to lather very well, give you a very nice smell, cleanse the hair properly, treat your hair scalp, and give you a shiny hair look at the end of washing. If you are ready, guys, let's get started. So as we start, I would like to encourage you to be very patient so that you can take it step by step from the beginning to the end, so that you can see the procedure of how to make a luxurious hair shampoo. The ingredients are many, so please take time to watch to the end to capture every step of the process. We have a lot of ingredients, starting from soda ash, caustic soda, camphor. We have glycerin. We have vitamin E, foam booster, sulfonic acid, 250 ml, preservative. This is formalin that I'm using, and just a little quantity, 15 ml. Then the fragrance is a mixture of ambipur and tangerine. Then of course I have this orange color for shampoo. So the process is a long one, but you have to be patient to get everything. You soak your ingredients. You soak your SLS. I measured about 13 liters of water, and I added 2 liters into each of these small buckets. So I dissolved soda ash in the second bucket, SLS in the first one. Then I added my STPP to the third bucket and also dissolve. When all the ingredients are properly dissolved, it's always very easy to make either your liquid soap or shampoo. Allow all the ingredients to dissolve completely. So that is why it will take you some time in stirring. So when you are making your own, know that this video has been edited, so it takes a longer time to stir and allow the ingredients to dissolve. So I poured in my nitro-so into the bigger bucket, this transparent bucket, and then stir very well to dissolve. You will have to take turn to dissolve all the ingredients in the different containers, just to make sure that everything is completely dissolved before you start the mixing of all the ingredients. So stir it very well and ensure that it's completely dissolved. Now this hair shampoo is enriched with vitamin E, glycerin, and menthol and camphor. I dissolved my small caustic soda, just about a tablespoon, and then added to the big bowl. Now this caustic soda is going to help to hold all the ingredients together and make the consistency of your shampoo to be very, very smooth, and the texture very, very silky. So I turned in my caustic soda already dissolved into the big bowl, and then you will notice that the mixture thickens immediately. Then you add your Texapon, just like you are seeing in the video, and stir very well. This part of it you have to stir vigorously. It takes some time to stir at this point and make sure that everything is properly mixed together. After stirring for a while, then you get your sulfonic acid ready. This diazepam that is added to the shampoo will help it to boost the foaming effect and allows you to wash the hair properly. It's a major ingredient working with sulfonic acid to ensure that the washing is thorough, clean, and is foaming very well. So I added my sulfonic acid and stirred again. Now it's almost like the ingredients you have for your liquid soap, but the difference is that here you have to add camphor, vitamin E, glycerin, to it to make the difference. So I stirred very well, and then I go in with my soda ash already dissolved. Soda ash will add volume to what you are preparing. So you see that the volume rises immediately. You stir it very well and make sure that it's completely mixed together before you can go in with the next ingredient. The next thing, I want to dissolve my camphor and my menthol. Dissolve your camphor and menthol and add at this point. Please follow the steps so that you can have the result that will make you to be very happy. So I dissolved my menthol and camphor and also added to the bowl. The menthol is going to help the scalp as you wash hair with this shampoo, condition the scalp and make it very healthy. It also promotes growth because it makes sure that the hair follicles the strands are healthy. So you add your camphor and menthol and then stir again very well. You have to do a lot of stirring in this production. So the next thing is to add all the other ingredients like foam booster, vitamin E, glycerin, and fragrance. Add all of them at this point before you stir again vigorously. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do well to like this video, share to your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe if you have not. So after adding the foam booster, vitamin E, glycerin, and fragrance, you have to stir again thoroughly. You stir it very well so that everything can mix up evenly and you have a kind of homogeneous mixture. So looking at the texture, you see that this is going to come out very beautiful. The next thing is to add the STPP already dissolved. So I was adding it gradually because I noticed the volume was rising. You add it gradually and stir it gently at this point. Looking at the volume, this is going to be the texture. This is going to be a very nice hair shampoo with treatment. So you have to now stir it again, vigorously to allow it to mix properly. I love the texture. I love the perfume that is coming out from this hair shampoo. The next thing is to add my SLS already dissolved. And the shampoo is getting set already. So here you have to stir again to allow everything to mix up completely. Then I added my preservative. I'm using formalin, just about 15 mils. Because hair shampoo will take some time before it's going to be used up, so I have to add preservative. And now this is my colorant, the orange color, suitable for hair shampoo. Very, very beautiful. Stir it very well. As you are adding, you are stirring to the bottom to make sure that the color goes round. And if it's not enough, then you add more. If it's not enough, then you add more of the colorant. So I added more to give it that thick orange color. Very beautiful and attractive. So after stirring it like that, you leave it for some time, about 4 hours. I left mine. So this is how to make a very good shampoo from start to finish. I hope this tutorial has given you the confidence to now make your own shampoo, whether for home use or to start up a growing business. Alright guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give it thumbs up, share to your friends who may want to learn, and please subscribe if you have not. This is the Unique Home Solutions and More, where we make home cleaning agents like liquid soap, bleach, disinfectants like Izal, Dettol, and we make a lot of products that can be of help to you. So subscribe to this channel and watch out every week for our tutorials. Thank you guys, and bye. See you again in our next edition. Bye.